Hello folks, it's Mentor speaking. Welcome back to this other episode of the Luganda series, Wanoku YouTube channel. Now, as usual, we are price action traders and tugenda kola analysis on USD card over United States dollar ne Canadian dollar. I'm sorry, dollar. Naye oluzungu sagala lubere lungi nnyo. So here, tulaba we traded below these lows here, okay, or we came to this imbalanced zone waneno, okay. Do we have an imbalanced zone anywhere? Definitely here. So kiki kye ngenda okunonya after trading below these lows here? Definitely ngenda kunonya price trading higher, but higher to where? There are things I told you folks in the previous episode. Nemba gamba nti, once you spot an imbalance like this one, nyine ebintu byenjagala okunonyezamo this imbalanced zone here. One, njagala nonya a green candle open, which we don't have. Ekyokubiri, njagala nonya an institutional level in this area. So bwetunanga tetuyinamu a green candle open, tuyinza obeera mu institutional level, most especially the 50 level genonya. So let's look for the 50 level in that zone. So here tulaba tuyina, let's look for 50 level. Now 50 level tugiraba wano waggulu in a liquidity void, week to week. Will price trade to this level in the future? I am looking at price trading in this area or in this level, but price action will judge, okay, over ekijja maseyo, it will tell us what to do. So already tumaze okulaba price is trading higher and higher. Lwachi we traded below these lows, then we came to this imbalanced area. So N1C at the moment tetwina chetuchime N1C. But that aside, we have relatively equal highs here. Okay, simanyoba ozidaba these relatively equal highs here. So we have so many reasons as to why price is trading higher. So tulaba ensonga lwaki price is trading higher. Okay, price is trading higher and higher and higher. But where am I putting my focus this time? This time focus yange ngenda giteeka above yesterday's high. Now, it being that we have relatively equal highs above yesterday's high, tekitegeeza nti price will trade lower. Nga bwe nakugamba, do your analysis on a daily, osooka otegeere price action. What is price doing? Where is price heading to? Okay, where is price heading to? Is it an uptrend or is it a downtrend? So wano tulaba nti tutandiseka short term uptrend. Today lunaku olwaleero we traded above this high, this high, this high, and this. We are going for this high, I think, and above these relatively equal highs, and maybe in between here, but which won't be done in 1, 2, 3, 4 days. It might even take a month or a week, depending on what the money makers, the market makers want. So running above yesterday's high here, njagala tugende on a lower time frame tukole analysis here. Let's mark yesterday's high, which is there. Tugenda ku time frame ki 15 minutes time frame. So botonolida this high, this is yesterday's high. Nera njagala tujimarking. Let's label yesterday's high with a text. Sorry. Let's use a text to label that. Previous day's high. Previous day's high. Kiki ekirala kye nnoonya as a price action trader, and I'm trading the New York session, I will definitely have to mark the New York session. So midnight New York time, which is 00, ne New York 11 o'clock in the morning over New York 11 o'clock, which is 11 a.m. There. So njagala tusooke tutunuulire ekigenda maaso wano. Do we have relatively equal lows here? Yes, we do. We have liquidity 1C1. Okay, twina liquidity 1C1. Do we have, now between midnight ne 11 o'clock in the morning, njagala tugende ku 5 minutes chart. Now bwojja wano ku 5 minutes chart, you'll get ekifaananyi ekituufu, okay, over a clear picture. Now if I was trading this, okay, singa mbadde trading here, I would look at price trading below these lows before nga tenakola this strong move up. But why is it not, lwaki didn't price, do that yet here? Do you remember the news events that we done as well? Now that is the episode that is coming after this one. Okay, how to trade news and what to exactly look for. It's not a must that price good below these lows ngemaze okuva mu this imbalanced area. Not yet. The reason as to why nkulese on a 15 minutes chart or time frame, njagala olabe these highs here. Okay, I want to look at these highs. Did it trade above these highs here? Yes, we did trade above those highs. It is a short-term high. On a daily chart, we are trading higher. Okay? Ekyo sagala okyerabire nti we want to see price trade higher. We trade above these highs here. Njagala laba nga tukola failure swing over retracement. Do we have an imbalanced area anywhere? Yes, we do. Right there. What happens when price comes back to that level? I don't want to see you buy in a downtrend. and sell in an uptrend, you will be crushed. Okay? You will be crushed. Having lower lows here and whatever it is, this low came in for this gap. Fine, nga wenkugambye, don't sell in an uptrend. Nebofuna opportunity ennungi etya, you will still be crushed. You will be kicked out because the algorithm is that we are only buying. We are not selling. We are only buying. Now, if you are a good trader, you will be waiting for price or trading below these lows here. Then price eyambuke. But this was done towards 11 o'clock in the morning, New York time. See here, this high comes in at what time? 9:30 o'clock in the morning. Do you have this gap here? What time? 10 o'clock in the morning. Now, njagala olabe or ononye the magic that normally happens at exactly 10 o'clock in the morning, New York time. Things do happen sometimes at 10 o'clock in the morning, between midnight and 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, njagala ononye this level. So we are not trading any other thing, but we're trading imbalances. Okay, jukira on a daily nakugambye, let me hide this for a while. On a daily jukira nakugambye nti we are trading higher, either above these highs, in this gap here, over in this imbalance, over to this 50 level. That's why we see price trading higher. So you won't be selling, right? One teach the nti you will sell other than you buying. You just buying because you want to see price trade higher. That is the concept, or concept wet your way. Njagala ogende ku chart yo okolere dala analysis. These things do happen. The more you visit your charts, the more you will get to understand bintu. The more you visit your charts, the more you'll get to understand these things. So price comes to this imbalance. How many pips were these? Anyway, yeah, they see nyingi, but I think 35 pips would be enough for someone. Zino zinzo beda $35 over whichever it is, but having this money, ngomanyi chokola, this is the best way for you to trade. Condition number one, this is actually the best trade that happened today on this chart. Trading above this high, coming back for liquidity here, liquidity void over imbalance. This is the perfect trade here. So folks, nebi bitono as usual, let's go for episode 35, where we are going to learn how to trade during news events. What do you look for? What do you avoid during news events? How do you become profitable, but also careful with these markets, because anything can happen anytime. Nebi bitono as usual, ino video kekome 1.